The YoloBox Extreme, your all-in-one 4K streaming solution. The YoloBox Extreme is an all-in-one monitor, recorder, switcher, and encoder, streamlining your live streaming workflow. It offers 8 HDMI inputs, 5 with 4K support, and 3 with 1080 60p for additional sources. Capture every angle at a sporting event or a conference effortlessly. Plus, up to 6 NDI HX inputs enable wireless camera feeds, ideal for dynamic shoots like live concerts while reducing cables and setup time. Connect webcams or storage with the 2 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C port for external recording or uploading your own media. Audio is covered with a 3.5mm mono mic input, a 3.5mm stereo line input, and a built-in mixer with adjustable audio delay for perfect sync between multiple sources. Crucial for live interviews. Add professional graphic overlays including HTML5 for scoreboard or tickers in sports or news streams. The new director mode also lets you preview and transition sources smoothly, mimicking a traditional switcher. The 11.2-inch 2.5K OLED touchscreen with 1000 nits brightness ensures clear visuals even in sunlight. Great for outdoor events. Powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, it streams and records in 4K 30, supporting up to 4 ISO recordings or 6 at 1080 60p. The 10,000 mAh battery lasts up to 10 hours. Stream up to 3 RTMP destinations via Wi-Fi 7 with dual antennas, Ethernet, or 4G LTE. You can order your YoloBox Extreme at Videoguys.com.